What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another live stream from the Scalar Learning channel. And today we are back in the mix. We got a SAT coming up this Saturday. I'm taking it as well. So we're going to be doing content every day this week, Monday through Friday. And we got some really cool polished videos coming out as well. But we're definitely going to be doing a lot of live streams. And, all right, just doing the sound check there. Now, I got to go at exactly noon, so I'm got to hustle. I got to jump right in. I want to say what's up to everybody, but we got to keep this rolling. So we're going to do a time mini section. I love these mini sections. What's up, Alam? Hey, what's up? Thank you for that. What's up, Johan? All right, here we go. We're going to start in 3, 2, 1, and I'm going to also load up the calculator. Oh, yeah, I got to make sure this thing is always a thing. I have to turn, I always forget this. We have to turn this back on. They really messed this, this web paint thing up because every time I have to turn it on and off because it does something weird. Anyways, let's go. 3, 2, 1, and begin. A grocery store normally sells lemonade for $3.50. The door store is having a sale which advertises 6 for $13.50. How much cheaper is it? Okay, well, let's get the unit price. $13.50. I could do this in my head probably, but $13.50 divided by 6 is $2.25, so it's $1.25 cheaper. Boom, done. Next, the scientist wants to collect data about the effects of gravity on the growth of soybeans. Tests the hypothesis soybeans are in zero gravity. She separates soybeans into two groups. The first group is in typical soybean conditions in a greenhouse, and the second group is in a zero gravity, yet otherwise identical greenhouse. Which of the following best description of the research design? Okay, so what type of thing is this? This is a controlled experiment because you have the control group where nothing is changed, or it's pretty normal settings, and then the one where you apply the zero gravity. Boom, done. Next, what is the sum of these two? All right, distribute. 3b squared minus 12b. Sum means addition, 6b minus 48. Combine like terms, we get 3b squared minus 6b minus 48. Then they factored again. Wait, and then they factored a 3 out probably. So then 3 becomes b squared minus 2b, right? I'm dividing every term by 3. Minus 16, b squared minus 2b, boom, done, is C. Okay, number 4. The maximum occupancy of a room is the total number of people who can be in the room without causing a fire hazard. In a large room, fire safety code states that the maximum occupancy is 1 per every 7 square feet. A college is hosting a concert hall that is this many, and 1,000 people are expected to attend. According to the fire safety code, approximately how many more people can attend the concert? Okay, so here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just do a proportion. I'm going to say 1 person, and I'll label it, per every square feet. And then we know that this is the occupancy of square feet, and we're trying to figure out how many people total can come. And then we're trying to say how many more than 1,000. So this will give us the total capacity. Cross, 7x equals 14,721. I could probably do this in my head. It's 2,103. 2,103 when we divide by 7. Let's just make sure. 14,721 divided by 7. Boom. And then, so how many more people, approximately how many more people? Another 1,100 people, I would say, can come to that. You see they have the 2,100, but it says how many more can attend than 1,000? Boom, done. Oh my. Wow, what is this? And if a Ferris wheel picture left car circular path as a wide result, the graph above in the TH plane shows the height. Okay. This is like a trig function. I've never seen this on the SAT. Above the ground meters passing on Ferris wheel T minutes at full speed. How many revolutions per minute does the passenger car the Ferris wheel make? Okay, so a revolution would be from here down here, and this is minutes. So we can go like this. This is coming back to the starting point. So that's right, coming all the way back down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6. I'd say 6 revolutions. I don't think there's any debate about it. All right, next. Number 6. A equals blah, blah, blah. Where A is the surface area and R is the radius. A simplified model of the Earth's crust spherical shell, outer diameter of 4,000. That means radius would be, it's 8,000. Radius would be 4,000. And a thickness of 10 miles. Using the fact that the volume of the shell is approximately equal to its outer surface area times its thickness, what is the approximate volume of the Earth's crust in cubic miles according to this model? Okay, so I think what we do is we calculate the outer area and then we multiply it by 10. So I'll plug in 4,000 here. So 4,000 squared, right, is that times 4 and then times pi. Wait a minute. This doesn't make sense. then it would be 6, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Did I multiply times? And then I have to multiply it by 10 again. Oh yeah. And then I add another 0 because it's a 10. And then that would be boom, boom, 640 million pi. C is the winner. Okay, good. I don't know why when I was looking at this, it looked too small. I knew it had to be A or C at that point, but yeah, okay. A roller coaster is, let me look at the time. Roller coaster is currently traveling at a speed of 49 miles per hour. The coaster speed will increase at a constant rate. Okay, I already can tell and look at the answer. You know it's some linear equation. I'm going to just piece it together as I go. So it's currently traveling at 49. That's the y-intercept. The coaster speed will increase 17 miles every 2 seconds. And if t is t seconds. So instead of 17, I'm going to say divided by 2, it's 8.5 miles per hour every 1 second until it reaches its top speed. And we're just going from t is less than or equal to 5. This is the linear equation, right? 49. And then every second that passes, it's increasing by 8.5. That's the slope. A is the winner. Boom, done. Again, I'm not trying to look at the ones and be like, which one works? I'm just making it myself, and I love that strategy to make your own equation, then compare it. Julia mows lawns in the summer for $15 per lawn. It costs Julia between 2 and 4 to mow a lawn. 2 and 4 to mow one lawn. Okay. So we're talking about 2 lines. Wait. Cost. Okay. If L represents the number of lawns, which corresponds to possible values of Julia's net earnings in dollars? So it should be anywhere. So if it costs between 2 and 4, it should be anywhere from 11 per lawn to 13 per lawn, because minus 4 would be 11, minus 2 would be 13. So So for 5 lawns, we should be at 55 on the bottom and 65 on the top. 55 on the bottom, right? Because if I multiply by 5, so this one is out. 55 on the bottom looks like this. 65 on the top. B is probably correct. Let's see. That doesn't make any sense for C. Why is it shaded all out there? And the values are wrong. And the shading's wrong on D, so it's got to be. What did I say it was? I said it was B, right? Okay. Good. 2 more. Antoine bikes part of the way on a 22-mile trail, walks the rest of the way. If he spends B hours biking, W hours walking, it's triple sum equation. What is the meaning of 16B? So since B hours biking. And this means he's probably going 16 miles per hour. So the full equation is the number of miles he bikes, right? B is the hours, and then 16 is probably like the miles per hour. So the 16B, the whole thing is the total is the 16B miles biking. Yeah, it's C. Again, I want to reiterate that I'm not just looking at the answer choice. Like, is it this one? I don't know. Is it this one? I don't know. I'm not going with these elimination strategies or looking at I'm answering it myself before I'm going in and exploring the answer choices. In triangle ABC above, what is the length of AB? Okay, I love these ones. So a little geometry in the mix. Oh, check it out. Okay. So this is a amazing 3, 4, 5 right triangle, which I've told you guys they show up all the time, because if this is 6, this is 10, it's just a 3, 4, 5 doubled, 6, 8, 10. So 6, so that means this length down here is 8. That means this length here is 4. And what are we trying to find? AB, right? I'm trying to find this guy. So now we got another right triangle. Now we use Pythagorean's theorem. Check it out. 4 squared is 16 plus 6 squared is 36 equals what we're trying to find, x squared. So that's 52 equals x squared. I know we can use a calculator, but whatever. Square root, x equals root 52. D is the winner. Boom, done. Let's go ahead and enter this, even though we got 7 minutes to spare. Let's see what's up. Hey, we got them all right. Okay. So I did that. We went a little quick, but hopefully you guys were able to understand everything and I was able to explain it. Let's see. Hello. Hey, I have the SAT this Saturday too. This is super fast. Yeah, I hope it wasn't too fast. And I one day think you're the one. Okay, you're awesome. Hey, man, you're welcome. 8 at all? I got 3 minutes. Let me see. 8. Okay, here's the deal with 8, right? we're trying to find the profit. So the idea is that her net earnings, right? So when it costs $12, when it costs $2, she's making $13 per lawn. So 13, if she does 2 lawns, it'd be 26. If she does 3 lawns, it'd be 39, like that. If it costs her $4, she's only making $11 per lawn. 2 lawns would be 22. 3 lawns would be 33, so on and so forth. So the profit range is anywhere between 11 and 13 for 1, 22 and 26 for 2, 33 and 39 for 3. Now, I just looked at 5 because I thought that was shown on the graph, and I'm like, okay, well, at 5 lawns, if she's making 11, she could make as low as 55. That looked like about 55. And as high as 65, right? 5 times 13. That looks like about 65. And it could be anything in between there because that's the bottom and top value. That's why this is the correctly shaded one. Okay. I don't think, look, in terms of the difficulty, I think that gets overhyped a lot. From this date to that date, I don't think there's much of a pattern. And by the way, the curve is adjusted based on the difficulty, the quote-unquote curve. It's not really curve, it's called equating. But that's adjusted based on the difficulty. So it's kind of not really a relevant question. It's whatever the difficulty level is, the scoring will be adjusted accordingly. So it shouldn't really matter. Okay, guys, I got to go. I got an appointment starting in 1 minute. Videos are helping. Awesome. I'm so glad, Schlock. And good luck to everybody. We're going to be doing another stream tomorrow. We're just going to get the times out to you later. We're probably going to announce it on Discord. So join our Discord server if you haven't yet. And check out our SAT course in the description below if you haven't had a chance to yet. We got 2.5 tests up there. The third one's, the calculator section of the third one's coming up later this week. And then we got video explanations that for a bunch of the questions, but we're still piling those in. It's going to be awesome. It's already solid, but it's a cheap price right now because it's sort of in beta, if you will. So feel free to check that out if you want gearing up for this test. It's a monthly subscription. So you can cancel it anytime. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Take it easy.